Hi, I'm Dr. Lydia Sasenko and love to help people with their snoring and apnea problems. Today's sleep tip involves what to do if you or your partner are snoring often. Knowing that it might be something more serious, it's important to find out and have your snoring evaluated to find out if it's obstructive sleep apnea or mild snoring only. One of the best things to do is to talk to your healthcare professional, somebody trained in sleep medicine, and it's important also to know that they might recommend a sleep test to evaluate your snoring. If that happens, I urge you to listen to my very important audio podcast that reviews the 5 questions that you need to ask regarding your sleep test. It could save your life. For more information, go to tiredofsnoring.com, and thank you.